When we built CLIMIT, we wanted it to be easily used by the smallest contractors to the largest contractors. Construction projects are more complicated than most people might think. Materials can be very sensitive to climate conditions. I've been in the building materials industry for 25 years, and within that space, you are constantly exposed to different situations that can be problematic or tied to lawsuits and job site failures.
We always get put into situations in new construction specifically where they may not have the permanent heating and ventilating running. Our ability to monitor the site and make sure that it's adhering to the manufacturer's specification is critical to us supplying a long-term warranty to the site.
Ultimately, what happens is that we're the last people into the construction site, but we've had no control over that site for the weeks and sometimes months beforehand.
We knew that if we could find some sensors that would help us monitor things in real time, we would be able to build a system that would help contractors catch things as they occurred so they could respond promptly to solve problems before they escalated. The solution we've launched is called CLIMIT. It's basically comprised of mobile and desktop software, custom sensors that monitor ambient conditions, but also through a third-party integration, monitor concrete relative humidity, which is the moisture in the slab, as well as concrete slab temperatures.
We can work in partnership with our clients, install the cloud device, and monitor the site throughout the construction process to make sure the conditions are optimal when we get on site eventually.
If we ever install a product outside of specifications, obviously it could lead to a failure. The last thing anybody wants is a failure in a hospital operating room.
When we started the company, we immediately started to look into different sensor technology. The sensors that we've gone to market with are extremely reliable. Scan the QR code on the front, they connect to the Verizon network, and our client is basically reading data within 30 minutes. Those conditions are checked against our manufacturer's database. And if conditions on site go out of spec, our clients get push notifications to their phones.
The major difference between other products we've used and CLIMIT is that the data is at your fingertips and it's readily available.
CLIMIT does not rely on Wi-Fi connections. It relies on cellular. So with a good Verizon connection, makes the product work. I think this solution is for the entire construction industry. Technology is a critical piece of the way things are done, and if we don't adapt to the new technologies in our industry, we'll be left behind.
I would highly recommend working with CLIMIT. The devices are terrific, robust, and reliable.